Hi, I'm Miriam from BBC Good Food and welcome to Cocktail Hour. This week I'm going to be showing you how to make a gin fizz. There are two ways to make a gin fizz, one with egg white and one without. I'm going to show you both, and I'm also going to use a non-alcoholic spirit in one so that you can make it alcohol-free. Two ways to make a gin fizz, one with egg white and one without, and one with alcohol and one without. Cheers!